this video I will show you how you can earn $50 per day with Forex. This will be a simple strategy for all Forex beginners who don't have much money to invest and would like to start with this type of investment. Although the strategy is simple, it's important that you follow the entire video until the end so you don't miss out any important information. If you are ready, like the video and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect 4 weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, NFTs, crypto, Forex and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to become successful and rich? Well, if your answer is yes, then you are on the right channel. Today we are talking about Forex and simple strategy for all beginners. Today we will not go into details about the Forex. What I want to say before we start is that Forex is not a scam. Many companies will literally steal your money by pretending to be experienced Forex brokers. There is a big difference between the terms Forex and Forex groups where you get signals. Of course, there are also reliable Forex groups, but we will talk about this in detail in the upcoming videos. It's important to develop a positive mindset when it comes to trading, as you can really make a lot of money if you're disciplined and dedicated. In the end, I would add that it's much easier to make money from trading when you have more capital to invest. But for that reason, this is a strategy tailored to everyone where you can start with literally less than $100. The first step you want to take is to register with a broker. What is a Forex broker? A broker is a company that you see as your personal bank account to which you will be able to deposit money and withdraw earnings. It's a regulatory website that you will use to manage your funds and log in to the live market. You can search on Google for the top Forex brokers and find what suits you the best. For this video, I will open a Tickmill account. What you will also need is a trading platform. When you create an account on Tickmill, you will need an application, i.e. a platform on which you will be able to log in with the data you receive from the broker. An important note is that whichever broker you choose, first create a demo account and practice today's strategy. The demo account is like a training account where you get mostly $100,000 to play and learn, which is great because you can learn a lot and test today's and some other strategies that you have found yourself. The most famous trading application is called MetaTrader 5. I will leave you a link from this application in the comments. As you can see, you can download it for Windows, Linux, Mac OS as well as on Google Play and App Store. So, when you are granted a demo account on Tickmill, you will receive your username and password and enter it into the application itself, and then you will see that your demo trading account is automatically registered. The next very important step is to go to the Tradingview website. When you want to trade, it's best to observe and look for trading opportunities on this website and only then to open a position in the MetaTrader 5 application. Tradingview is an online platform that allows you to analyze markets and apply certain parameters to capture a particular trend. When you come to this website, you don't have to open an account or buy a product. You can directly click on the chart field and view all charts completely free of charge. It's important to emphasize that these are really live charts from the market that were updated at the same time as the charts from the MetaTrader 5 application. When we click on a currency pair, we want to turn on Forex from the filter. You will see a list of all currency pairs, and what is great is that you can apply today's strategy to any currency pair. We will choose any currency pair and the first thing we want to do is change the chart to 1 hour. What you want to notice right away is a certain trend, whether a growth trend or a declining trend. You don't want to see a flat trend where the graph rises a little and then falls a little. So you want to find a currency pair that has a pronounced upward or downward trend. When you find your currency pair, you want to click on the pencil on the side and draw a line at the top and bottom of the chart. We will use a strategy called major swing level in combination with auto blocks. This may sound confusing to you right now, but it's actually very simple. In the end, we will thicken the strategy with two more indicators. Now let's draw lines over the graph, and this is the first indicator in which we will recognize the trend. If we see that the market has fallen or jumped a lot, this may be the first indicator that we need to buy or sell a position. When the market falls, we buy a position, and when it jumps a lot, we sell the position. However, we are still not sure what will happen, and therefore we will apply additional conditions that must match. Here we come to the concept of auto blocks. To register an auto block, we want to switch the graph to 15 minutes. Here's what an auto block is and how to recognize it on the chart. Auto block works for both sell and buy options. Take this green candle for example. If the green candle is larger than the previous red candle and the next candle after the green that is created is green again, you will set the buy position. The same goes for sell, just the opposite. If you see that at the end of the chart there is a red candle that is bigger than the previous green candle and the next candle that is forming is red again, set the sell position. So for now we have set two conditions. Major swing level, where we need to recognize a certain trend on the chart, and if it's a downward trend, we want to think we need to set a buy position. We need to reinforce this with an auto block strategy where we will switch the chart to 15 minutes and look at the last candles as they are formed and which is the next candle to be formed. i.e., in case of the chart falls, the candles for the auto blocks should therefore be that the last candle is green and it's larger than the previous red and that the next candle is formed green again. If these two conditions do not match, do not open a position. Remember, the most important thing in trading is discipline and psychology. Don't let your emotions drive you because in the end you will lose all your money, time and effort. We now come to the two indicators we mentioned earlier. There are the RSI Relative Strength Index and the Wu Manchu Swing Free Index. How to turn on these indicators? Simply enter RSI in the search field and just click on it and then type in Wu Manchu Swing Free Index and activate it as well. How can the RSI indicator help you? As you can see below, we have another small graph where the smallest value is 30 and the largest is 70. Every time the graph is close to 30, it means that the chances of the market starting to grow are high and you need to set a buy position. And when it's close to number 70, that means that the chances are higher that the market will start to fall and that you need to put a sell position. It's not guaranteed, but it's a question of the probability of the event, which is why it's called an indicator. As for the second indicator, it shows tips on the first graph when to buy or sell a position. It's clear to you, even if I don't explain it, it's pretty intuitive. So to summarize, we have two strategies, major swing level and auto block, and both must match in combination with these two indicators before you open a buy or sell position. You observe major swing level on the chart of 1 hour and auto block on the chart of 15 minutes. I repeat once again, do not be impatient and undisciplined. Find a currency pair where you can match all four of the above conditions. Also, don't be greedy. Most traders do not close a position on time and then lose money. So set yourself a goal and close the position on time. It's better to make a profit little by little than to be greedy and lose all money. In the end, when you found a currency pair that has met all the conditions, you immediately want to open a position on the MetaTrader 5 application. You can open it on your phone, laptop, tablet or your computer. As for the size of the position, you want to put a maximum of 0.1 or 0.05 if you have $50 or $100 in your account. I emphasize once again that you first open a demo account. Test this strategy for free and gain confidence and experience when handling both this app and the Tradingview platform. Nothing is ever certain. This is just my strategy that has brought me successful results. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, I only share what I have succeeded in doing. I have in plan to create a new course related with Forex, which will soon be published at our academy, where we will learn all the concepts and basics of Forex, and in this way you will understand even better how this market works. When you gain experience on a demo account, only then open a live account and deposit your money, and continue with the same strategy. That would be all for this amazing video. I hope you've learned something new and useful and that you will at least try this since it's free to test. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, because I will be more active there soon. You also see this figure of 1000 subscribers. When it comes to 5000, I will do a $50 giveaway and a couple more nice prizes. I will leave you a playlist with other investing opportunities if you want to see another tutorial on this topic. Also, if you want to find out how I earned over $100,000 in 2 years with the help of drop servicing, you have a first link in the description of this video. Until the next video, new education and earnings online, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers!